This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Yes.
My deficit court fees and my affidavit of service.
My item number 20, I am appealing for the state lead by Advocate General.
Yes.
And I am appealing for the state. My Your Lordship has already heard this matter. But there are অনেকগুলো file করেছে. There are 2 or 3 matter, Your Lordship. One matter, Your Lordship, heard Mr. Shane and additional advocate general appeared. Now, my lord, if all the matters be taken up together, my lord,
Yes.
ultimately it will be same.
Yes. What is the matter about?
The petitioner party will finally come to page number 31, but the advertisement.
আমি আজকে তোমার এটাই 20টা
The application.
You are praying for participation in physical measurement test and physical efficiency test.
Yes, Lord.
No, it did not come within the zone of consideration in written examination.
My lord, the petitioner participate in a selection process. My lord, they have published my lord vacancy and revised vacancy, which is in page number 33, and revised vacancy is page number 53. My lord, kindly come to my lord page number 53.
What is your position in the list which was published after written examination?
My lord, the petitioners did not, my lord, qualify the cut-off marks.
Then
My lord, the petitioners agreed on that, my lord.
then এখন now interview is going on, PMT and PET is over.
Come to page number 69, my lord. Kindly, my lord, the petitioners belongs to, my lord, sports category. Petitioner's allegation is that, my lord, sufficient number of candidate is not called in the that category. Therefore, the vacancy will be not.
Already there is an order passed by this court directing the authority to publish a detailed list. To publish a detailed list.
The mentioning the, my lord,
category, marks, everything.
May I come back with after perusing
That writ petition is disposed of.
after perusing the order?
Whether any appeal has been preferred?
No, my lord.
No appeal. You appeared in this matter with Mr. Sen. Mr. Anindo Lairi appeared for the
Yes.
petitioners. They are already court directed to publish a detailed list. You will get everything if that list is published.
I take the, my lord, case number, and my lord, I
অনিন্দর থেকে নিয়ে নাও his lordship has already disposed of the matter by passing direction.
Yes. Where is that order? এই পুলিশের ওই যে ডিটেল অর্ডারটা যেটা দিলাম সেটা দাও, দেখি দাও তো। কনস্টেবল সিলেকশন 2024
WPA 484 of 2026
বার করো তো।
of 2020.
হ্যাঁ, আরে বাবা ওরা বার করে দেবে, তোর বলছে তো পিটিশনের নাম্বারটা চলে গেছে। আবার কি ওকে বলো বার করে দিতে একটা অর্ডারের। অর্ডার অনেকদিন হলো, 10 দিন আগে হয়েছে।
Moreover, in this writ petition, they have no legal right to file. Only, my lord, their usual allegation that they have.
published this, and we find that, my lord, the sufficient number of candidates is not called.
দাও।
Judgment delivered on 3rd February.
Yes, absolutely.
So on the basis of this order, I am disposing of this writ petition. Because your grievance is that
Back with the after seeing because of that, I have
your grievance is that you participated in the selection process, but in the written after written test, the shortlisted candidates list of candidates were, which is a short list, was prepared, where category of the candidates and the marks awarded to those candidates were not disclosed.
that is one of that, and another two prayer I have. Why? Because of that, my lord, in the advertisement itself, it is mentioned, my lord, may I see just one, my lord, just one paragraph of the advertisement. Just one paragraph. Why? Because they did two things. One is that they not publish the marks. In the meanwhile, I made an RTI application. from that RTI application? The answer is that the selection process is going on. We will not give any details. After completion of the selection process.
Court directed to publish the marks.
Yes, I am on.
Court already directed to publish the marks.
And if he is agreed, he has a remit of appeal.
I have another twofold prayer. Why it is that, my lord? Because of that, they says four categories. I have four interpretation in four categories. One is EC, another is civic volunteers, another is meritorious post person, another is home guard. So, my lord, these four guys, why? They says in the advertisement, this is horizontal nature of reservation. If the horizontal of nature of reservation seats is not available, then that seat is converted to the UR. They arbitrarily set higher cut-off marks, and they call the non-sufficient amount candidate in PMT.
Ma, how can he say this? Where is the document? Where is the proof?
That's the
statement.
reason, Malad, that's the reason. That's why I prayed for a declaration that arbitrary set of cut-off marks to frustrate the horizontal reservation is not a law.
তুমি আসছো তুমি আসছো না
আবার আর দুটো পয়েন্ট তাহলে আমার রিড করতে হবে, দেখি আসি মাঠ থেকে আসি।
এই এটা কত নাম্বার গো? তুমি এটা কত নাম্বার বলো না? But I'm sorry, I'm appearing in the next matter.
Yes, wait,
সঙ্গে তো দেবে না। না, 21 সেম।
Yes, in this case also petitioners belong to Home Guard.
yes.
Similar, petitioners category was Home Guard under different other categories, that is scheduled caste, backward class, OBC, other backward class, and other by A and OBC B.
Yes, it might be. I am not. One of my prayer is covered by this judgment.
Let the list be published, then if you have any difficulty,
kindly add one line with this here, Malad. The other two prayer I have, Malad. If after showing the list, Malad, if I have the cause of action, Malad, kindly that will not frustrate
Yes,
my. Kindly add it on that line.
have you participated in the written test?
Yes, yes, yes.
But your list name
No,
did
no,
not
not featured in the list. That for that reason, my lord, I have threefold, my lord, prayer, my lord. In this regard, my lord, one of the prayer is covered by this judgment, my lord. Kindly, my lord, another two prayers, my lord, not fasted after seeing this, because
court fee.
what we already, my lord, each and every
The
matter,
court fee for one petitioner is was deposited.
what we already submitted. Each and every matter, my lord, that's my standard. my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Petitioner petitioners করবে। Petitioners participated in stop. Learned advocate representing the petitioners also submits document relating to depositing deficit court fees, and same is taken on record. Next paragraph. Matter relates to West Bengal Police, within bracket, recruitment of constables, close bracket, rules, না, matter relates to, কি বললাম? না, matter relates to recruitment, বাকিটা কেটে দাও, matter relates to recruitment in the post of constable in West Bengal Police.
Twenty
2024, for which recruitment notification was issued on 5th March 2024. Stop.
But only 1 minute, but I've been just now informed that the against your lordship's order appeal has been filed.
Very well. So this order will also be appealed. কি বলছিল?
So my lord is going to pass the same order. And not, my lord, the other reliefs they claim regarding enhancement of cutoff.
হ্যাঁ, সেটা স্টেপ বলো।
আরেকবার বলো, ওটাকে রেখে দিচ্ছি জজসাহেব, যাতে আমি পাঠ পাইতে যাই আফটার সিইং দ্যাট, যাতে আমি আফটার
গেল কোথায়?
স্টপ।
যে ফাইল হয়েছে অ্যাপিলের নম্বর টম্বর মনে করে 23 ওই সেম অর্ডারই দিচ্ছে।
Petitioners
সেম অর্ডারই দিচ্ছে, সেম অর্ডারই দিচ্ছে।
are all under civic volunteer category, belongs to
This first one is meritorious post category.
general unreserved candidates.
Sports
They
category.
are not civic volunteers, sports category. All are under the sports category.
Sports category. The next matter, or I will give the each and every matter.
Petitioners
এটা হচ্ছে 20 না?
হ্যাঁ, 20টা হচ্ছে।
Thereafter 21.
belong to sports category and participated in the
Sports
recruitment process
আমি আছি 22 তাহলে।
21 আমি আছি।
হ্যাঁ 22
and sat in written test. Stop.
Sports quota.
Sports quota belongs to sports quota.
না,
Now petitioners comes under sports quota.
আমার কাছে নেই সেটা।
Petitioners come under sports quota. হ্যাঁ,
লোকজন তো আসে না।
and participated in the recruitment process. Stop. Petitioner sat in the written test and on completion of written test 60178 number of candidates were shortlisted by the recruitment authority for conducting physical measurement test within bracket PMT and physical efficiency test PET and viva voce. Stop. However, it is next paragraph. However, next paragraph, it is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that petitioner's name did not feature in the list of 60178 number of candidates. Stop. Grievance is raised on behalf of the petitioners as the shortlist, as the list containing 60178 number of candidates is bereft of necessary particulars, that is category of candidates, marks awarded to the candidates in the written test. Stop. Apart from this aspect, other issues are also highlighted, which court at this stage does not find it fit to delve into. Stop. on, state respondents are represented by learned advocates who has opposed this writ petition. Stop. Next paragraph. Court finds issue is no more res integra. So far, publication of shortlisted publication of list containing names of 60178 number of candidates is concerned, as it was already decided in another writ petition being WPA 484 of 2026, Chandan Dhara and others versus the state of West Bengal and others, that the said list of selected candidates based on written test requires inclusion of respective categories of candidates and marks awarded to the individual candidates. Next paragraph. A detailed order, a judgment was passed in Chandan Dhara Supra on 3rd February 2026, which will govern the present writ petition. Stop. Concerned respondent authorities are directed to publish list based on written examination in terms of the directions as contained in the judgment dated 3rd February 2026 passed in Chandan Dhara Supra. Stop. Next paragraph. Other issues which are agitated before this court are not delved into and same are kept open. Stop. Writ petition stands disposed of.
Appeal number.
আচ্ছা, আর একটা লাইন ওখানে করে দেবে। The judgment dated 3rd December 2026 passed in Chandan Dhara Supra be kept with this writ petition duly countersigned by the air court.
Item number
The appeal has been filed and the appeal number. I can.
You take steps. It's not really take steps. Let it be decided by them.
But 20 to 23 same.
My category is different. I have to tell one after another category. Item number 21.
Now 21, if you are see my lord, it will be my lord.
21 is the home guard, my lord.
It is 20.
It is 20.
It is 20 sports quota. The next one, my lord, home guard, my lord.
The sports quota যেখানে হচ্ছে they belong to they applied under sports quota, ওই জায়গাটা শুধু চেঞ্জ হবে আর সব
But only one submission, if you are record.
call the next matter.
One in 21, one submission. My lord. My submission is only one thing, that they have participated, they become unsuccessful, they are not within the shortlisted. Now they don't have a legal right to file this writ petition. If your lordship record that.
I have decided that issue in the previous matter.
This is home guard, my lord.
21,
sir. 21.
You will not indicate the categories marks to maintain transparency, and after participation they cannot challenge.
Kindly see the RTI reply. Kindly see the RTI reply. The third reply. Presently, the process of recruitment is going on. Specific information is not available at this stage. It would harm the competitive nature of the selection.
Yes, all the petitioners in item number 21 belong to
Home guard.
petitioners belong to the category of home guard. এইটা শুধু ওই জায়গাটা চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে। Same order.
Grateful, my lord. ABTV of service and
Next.
My lord, indulgence, my lord, item number 14, I was in the hospital.
At this stage, please don't disturb this court.
Item number 22,
22, my lord. EC category. It is EC category.
Exempted category.
Exempted.
Court fee,
Yes, my lord.
file those documents.
My lord, court fee and ABTV of service.
Petitioners belong to exempted category. Same order. Next,
Item number 23.
Civic volunteer, my lord, affidavit of service. and
23, would I appear led by learned advocate? এটা দেবেন তো? Only Milan, my submission may be recorded that I am told that the appeal has been preferred. Chandan Dhara, your lordship has referred.
prefer an appeal.
No, my lordship, kindly record my submission on the file number. I'm supplying the number. My lordship, kindly record my submission.
Same order. Petitioners belong to home guard category.
No, my lord.
Belong to the category of,
Civic volunteer.
oh, petitioners belong to, petitioners are civic volunteers. And they applied under the category of civic volunteers. ওইটা ওই জায়গাটা চেঞ্জ হবে, স্পোর্টস ক্যাটাগরি।
And Lord, only Lord, kindly record my submission.
Yes.
That the appeal has been preferred against Chandan Dhara, lordship. It is my
How
submission
does
of,
it make any difference?
not difference, but it is my submission, but it is my duty, Lord, to assist the court.
Yes, you prefer and it is your right to prefer. an
No, that I know. But Lord, record my submission, Lord, that appeal has been prepared. Only Lord, record my submission. I mean, I'm praying nothing. Only record because I have submitted. That should be recorded, Lord. Lord,
How
subject-
does it make any difference?
No, I am not.
You have every right to prefer an
No,
appeal.
Lord, it makes
You
difference.
get an order of
No,
state,
Lord,
place it
because
before
we are,
court,
we are,
and court will
no, Lord,
consider.
we will go to, we
Court will follow that order of the
will
appellate.
follow that order, Lord. I know, Lord, your lordship knows. Since, Lord, we will go for appeal against these orders also. So that we can say, otherwise, what division bench can say, did you inform the court that the appeal has been prepared? Well, lordship, kindly, Lord, record my submission. It's up to your lordship.
My lord, item
Well,
number
record my
4.
submission.
My lord, item number